What's up, everyone? Today I have a sweet treat to help you beat the heat. I'm talking about pineapple ice cream. Well, it's not really ice cream, it's more of a sherbet. Either way, it's guaranteed to help you get through those dog days of summer. We'll begin by adding 3 cups of frozen pineapple to a blender, followed by half of a banana, 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of whole milk, a half a cup of condensed milk, and finally 2 1/4 cup or 18 ounces of pineapple juice. Pop the lid on and blend on medium speed until smooth. Pour your pineapple mixture into the bowl of an ice cream maker and churn it based on the manufacturer's directions. I churned mine for about 25 minutes. The current consistency will be that of soft serve. You can totally stop here and enjoy. I want more of an ice creamy texture, so I'm going to continue on. Begin portioning into some storage containers. Make sure to pack it in to get out any air bubbles and smooth out the top. Slap on a lid and continue with the rest. I'm using pint-sized deli containers and I was able to fill 3 of them. Throw the containers in the freezer for at least 2 hours. This sherbet is so refreshing. You get a big hit of pineapple with a little hint of banana. The condensed milk adds some creaminess with a touch of sweet. I'm having 3 scoops because it's that good. Don't judge. Comment down below your favorite treat to beat the heat. Stay cool, and thanks for watching.